Wow. Well, I guess I should start looking for a campsite.
So you camping up here for the night?
Yeah.
Oh, that's perfect. Gosh, yeah, I think you'll have your pick.
Yeah. Really did for me. Wow, it's full. Oh wow, that's a cold breeze.
It might be a little chilly up here.
Might be. I wonder if it'll be as cold as you will be.
Probably not.
All right. Wow, it's full. Oh, there's a campsite. Taking a break?
Yeah, lunchtime.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, it's a long morning.
Yeah. Oh, I see campsites up here, so I might as well. Yeah. That'll do. First of the Sallie Keys Lakes. This tree is alive, but it's cracked severely all the way. You can see the heart. You can see the heart. But it's alive for now. Garmin says no storm. I say I think there's a good chance. I don't know how much battery left, but I'm not sure what time I got here. I think around 12. I'm at Sallie Keys Lakes, and it's very cold here. It's supposed to get down to like 24 tonight. But I ate, and did some messaging with my Garmin, and just tried to relax and stay warm. I soaked my foot in the lake because my inflamed heel. I tried to listen to another sermon, but I just can't. Even though it sounded really good, I just couldn't quite concentrate fully on it. And I wanted to concentrate fully on that sermon. I don't have any neighbors again. The lake is really pretty. Tomorrow I go to Marie Lakes over Selden Pass. It'll be my last pass for this trip. And so should only be like 3.5 miles, something like that. All in all, I have like around 20 miles left in my trip. It's a total of around 90. I'm tired, and it looks like the back of my knees are getting kind of chafed from my pants. So I'm gonna take some Body Glide to that, and hopefully that'll fix it, because I don't need any more problems. And I seem to be right under an air lane, because there's just they've got military aircraft going over all the time. I don't know, but it has been windy here, but it's not so much windy now. I can feel a little bit of a breeze, but so that's about it. Talked to some nice people, shared some jerky, and plan on sharing my jerky recipe with them because they loved it so much. I can't really think of anything else. Oh, I am going to sleep in tomorrow. at least till 7. Although it's supposed to be 27 degrees at 7. Ugh. That's still pretty stinking cold. Dang it, what do I have in my eye? Ah. Anyway, good night, guys.